This iced green tea with apple, cinnamon, lemon and ginger is a light and refreshing drink with great health benefits. We all know that green tea has great health benefits, but here is a recipe with extra fruity flavors. Iced green tea ingredients: 4 cups of water, half of a lemon, juiced, zest of half lemon, 2 Honeycrisp apples, chopped, 1 tablespoon of peeled grated ginger, 4 tablespoons of green tea leaves or 4 green tea bags, 2 tablespoons of honey, sprinkle of cinnamon. Here's how to make it. Simmer 4 cups of water, half lemon juice, lemon zest, ginger and chopped apples in a pan for about 2 minutes. Remove from heat and leave to soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Add the green tea leaves or tea bags and let soak for another 5 minutes. Strain the tea mixture and press all of the liquid from the ingredients. Stir in the honey until dissolved. Serve over ice and garnish with apple and lemon slices and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Now you have a great refreshing fruity iced tea. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also press the bell icon to be notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.